Welcome back, guys, to another video from AI Money Magnets, the place where you learn how to make money using AI. In today's video, we have an exciting strategy to share with you that can generate you a significant amount of passive income. The best part is that you don't need to spend anything at all. Even the advertisement won't cost you a dime. So make sure to watch the video till the end and hit the like button, as you will have a hard time finding this sort of strategy anywhere else. To begin, we need to create a theme page on Instagram and TikTok. For this example, we will create a love-themed page, and we are going to tap into the universal appeal of love and romance. For this strategy, we will need to create storytelling short videos about love stories for our pages, which requires 3 components: a script, a voiceover, and video editing. We will be using different AI tools for all these components. For the script, we are going to use the mother of all chatbots, ChatGPT. First, head over to their website and go to the input box intended for prompts. The prompt we are typing in could be something like, craft a nuanced 1-minute storytelling script centered around a love story suitable for a 1-minute video, and hit enter. You will then witness ChatGPT deploying its AI capabilities to generate a tailored love story for your needs. Don't feel confined by the initial story output of ChatGPT. Utilize its interactive capabilities to mold the narrative. Advanced users like you know that its true potential lies in its flexibility and iterative nature. For instance, if the story requires enhancement or modification, instruct ChatGPT accordingly. You can request character addition or subtraction, modify the environment, or even re-engineer the entire plot. Recognize that it's an iterative process of refinement. Engage in a dynamic dialogue with ChatGPT to perfect your narrative. Don't hesitate to experiment and craft compelling narratives suitable for your short video. Upon satisfaction with the generated narrative, the next steps are straightforward. Simply copy the output and preserve it for subsequent use. This text will be utilized in another AI tool called ElevenLabs, which is dedicated to producing voiceovers. Upon visiting the website, there's no need for an account setup or login process. Simply input your script directly into the designated prompt window. ElevenLabs supports a multitude of languages and provides the flexibility to select a voice tone that resonates perfectly with your narrative. Do you want your story to be warm and romantic, or maybe more upbeat and energetic? ElevenLabs offers a variety of voice options, inviting you to explore and pinpoint the voiceover that genuinely fits the essence of your love story. Once you've selected the voice tone, hit the play button and let ElevenLabs work its magic. In just a few moments, your story will have a captivating voiceover that adds a whole new dimension to your short video. Next, we would use the script to create relevant images and graphics for it in 2 fantastic AI tools, Midjourney and Leonardo.AI. These tools are super easy to use and will help make your stories more engaging. We have already discussed both tools in our previous videos, so go check them out if you want to know more about them. Initiate the process by accessing Midjourney via Discord or navigating to Leonardo.AI. Within these platforms, you'll find the input area where you'll input textual descriptions of images correlating with your script. Begin by selecting distinct scenes or moments from your love story. Articulate these scenarios using carefully crafted text prompts. This process translates your narrative into visual cues, enabling a more immersive and comprehensive storytelling experience. For instance, if there is a scene in the story where the couple is holding hands, then you can write something like, create a vibrant image of a couple walking hand in hand through a blooming garden, or generate an image of 2 people embracing under a starry night sky. Midjourney and Leonardo.AI will then generate unique and high-quality images that match your descriptions. Utilizing the capabilities of Midjourney and Leonardo.AI, you can seamlessly transform your script into a series of visually striking images and graphics. The scope for creativity is boundless, providing you with the liberty to experiment and tailor the imagery according to your distinctive artistic vision. These tools serve as your digital canvas, allowing you to visually materialize your love story, thereby enhancing the allure and engagement level of your short video. Try to immerse your audience in the visual narration of your tale, elevating their viewing experience to new heights. Now that we have our script, voiceover, and images, the next step is to piece it all together and create a beautiful love story video. Canva, an incredible design and editing tool, comes into play for this purpose. While there are other options like Filmora and Adobe Premiere Pro, Canva simplifies the process and makes it accessible even for those without prior experience. To begin, you'll need to create an account on Canva. It's free to use, although there is a pro version with more features. The free version is enough to get started. Once your account creation process is complete, click on Create a Design, search for TikTok, and choose TikTok Video. Next, you need to import all elements such as images and voiceover into Canva. Simply click on the Uploads button and choose the files from your computer. After uploading, the images and audio will appear in your Canva library. Now it's time to create your video. Drag your images onto the timeline. You can easily adjust the size, rotation, and position of your images to suit your preferences. To add your voiceover, click on the Music button in the left-hand sidebar and then select My Music. This is where you can add your voiceover to the timeline. Timing is important in telling your story effectively. Experiment with timing adjustments using the drag handles in the timeline to adjust the synchronization of the voiceover with the images. Canva offers a wide variety of elements, graphics, and text options that you can use to give your video a professional touch. Don't hesitate to experiment until you achieve your desired result. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. Click on the Download button located at the top right corner of the screen. Canva will prepare your video, and in no time, it'll be ready to download. Choosing the specific 16:9 video template in Canva ensures that your video has the right aspect ratio for a standard widescreen format that fits perfectly for Instagram and TikTok. With all these elements in place, it's time to craft the product we plan to market for a significant passive income stream. We're focusing on digital love letter templates, a perfect fit for the audience engrossed in our storytelling love stories and our love-themed Instagram page. We'll be hosting our product on platforms such as Shopify or Etsy, making it easily accessible for our followers. We'll smartly integrate the link to our store in the descriptions of our TikTok and Instagram short videos and on our bio, thus creating a seamless path for our audience to explore and purchase our product. This strategy not only monetizes our content, but also adds value to our followers' experience. Let's set the stage for love and profits. Digital love letter templates have an emotional attachment, and people are willing to invest in them for special occasions like Valentine's Day, anniversaries, weddings, and more. Don't worry if you don't have a background in design. Creating these templates is accessible to everyone. Numerous AI platforms are available online to aid you in crafting these love letter templates with ease. Tools such as Canva offer a multitude of diverse designs that you can personalize and refine. Incorporating a unique flair to these templates using AI tools can significantly boost their charm. Platforms like DeepArt, DeepDream, or Runway ML are your allies in generating distinct and sophisticated versions of these templates. Your creativity, coupled with these tools, can lead to masterpieces that captivate and endear your audience. Armed with a distinctive product and a well-devised marketing strategy, the potential for substantial earnings is at your fingertips. Many successful sellers on platforms like Etsy and Shopify stand testament to this. Their reviews, sales volumes, and popularity can provide a snapshot of potential monthly earnings. However, our unique approach sets us apart. Instead of promoting products directly in our videos, we aim to entertain and stir emotions, crafting content that resonates with our product. This method paves the way for organic interest and engagement, enabling us to showcase our products effectively without resorting to conventional, costly advertising. Through enticing content and the leverage of social media, we can attract a wider clientele, driving success in selling our digital love letter templates. We're not just selling a product, we're selling an experience, and that makes all the difference. Congratulations! With these steps, you've embarked on a journey of creating immersive love story videos. This is just the launchpad. As you accrue more experience and confidence, you'll find yourself experimenting with Canva's advanced features, fostering even more unique and compelling content. The income potential in this niche is vast. Remember, each love story is unique, and the thirst for personalized content never runs dry. Having crafted your captivating love story video, it's time to beam it onto the world stage. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are tailor-made for this task. They don't just offer extensive user bases, but their algorithms also favor compelling content, amplifying its visibility to potential customers. When crafting your video description, utilize catchy and pertinent hashtags to maximize your video's visibility. Crucially, ensure the product link is included in the description. This is the avenue for viewers to transition into customers. Once you're satisfied, hit post to share your creative endeavor with the world. Remember, the key to success lies in quantity. The more videos you post, the greater the chances of striking viral gold. And when a video goes viral, it's nothing short of enchanting. The exposure your product garners will prompt more individuals to explore your offerings, driving an upsurge in sales. So, keep creating, keep posting, and let the magic unfold. Let's not forget, each sale you secure translates into passive income. Once you've crafted and uploaded your video, it will persistently attract and engage viewers, even when you're not actively marketing it. Therefore, by harnessing the power of AI to generate unique, captivating content, and by leveraging the expansive reach of platforms like TikTok and Instagram, you can carve out a significant income stream selling love letter templates. This strategy demands no upfront investment, possesses enormous potential for returns, and the best part? You can set the wheels in motion today. We trust that you have found this insightful and beneficial. Should you have any inquiries or require assistance to get started, please don't hesitate to reach out. Until our next interaction, we wish you prolific selling and continued generation of passive income.